Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Jamaican Insider. Today we're heading to the parish of Clarendon. Stick and stay with us as we explore this parish. Yes, my people, we're going to make a few stops in Clarendon today. We're going to show you some new spots. Well, maybe it's new for some of you. Others, it may not be so new. Among the places that we're going to stop are the Salt River, Freshwater, and Murray's Drug Center. So stick and stay and enjoy the ride. So first up, we're going to make a stop at Freshwater, also known as Cockpit River. How do we get there? Once you're on Salt River Road, you want to continue straight. There are no turn-offs you want to make. Just continue straight until you see the Freshwater on your left. You can't miss it because other people will be there. It's somewhat popular among locals, but not too popular, so don't worry about it being crowded. It won't be too crowded if you go early in the morning. And by early in the morning, I mean about 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. Of course, you don't want to go too early, you know. For now, just relax and enjoy the views. Nice scenery of Clarendon. And just like that, we have arrived. Who knows what this is? Let me know in the comment section. Alright, on to the next location. So let me see if I get it now. Just continue straight.
Yeah, man. When you go down, you have to go through South River. Pass the mineral.
Yeah.
After you pass the mineral, you go around, see you go to one bush shed.
Okay.
On the left hand side.
Yeah.
So you just go up on the left hand side.
Yeah.
Go straight down. So you go to Mitchelltown now. So you go right to
Mitchelltown.
Yeah. So
okay.
You go down and go down till you never see no house now. You go down, you go for like you go back to Lionel Town.
Okay.
So you see. You go on your left.
Okay. 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 Alright. Okay. So what donkey name? Harry.
Yeah.
Are you name him?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So how much of them you have? Three of them?
Yeah, the four, but one dead.
Oh. What kill him?
Get old.
Old age. Well, I saw you go sometime and after a while, everything.
I did my one him.
Oh, did yours?
Yes.
Okay. Did you take care of him?
Him used to ride him by himself.
Oh. You never afraid?
Nah, he not him nothing.
Okay. Can you feed him and treat him good?
The boy yesterday go for the water.
Oh, by himself?
Ride him out. Time I come on and ride him come.
Boy, I'm not afraid. So, far do I walk with him now? How far I gotta go with him here now? Alright, sir.
pass this and go up more.
Oh,
Around my leg, man.
okay, okay. I give thanks here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Respect for your directions.
Here, sir.
All right. I really enjoyed that just now, interacting with the man, the boy, and the donkey. Do you remember the name of the donkey? Type it below. Yes, my people, we're almost there. Do you know what these are, or what they were? They seem to be old factories. Well, I'm not sure what kind of factories. Anybody from Clarendon who knows, please comment in the comment section and let us know. And now here we are at Salt River. Yes, yes, yes. Another one bested us. As you can see, the government has decided to close this facility. Salt River has been closed because of Rona. You know, safety first, which is not always a bad thing. This way, the government has a time and space to make the place more presentable and to provide more facilities for our guests to enjoy. And I believe that's exactly what they're doing, because this section here, the upstairs section, was not here the last time I came, which was earlier this year. So I'm very optimistic, and I'm looking forward to the reopening. Of course, Jamaican Insider will be there for the reopening, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, on to our next spot. And this spot has peacocks. No, I'm not at the zoo. Any idea where I'm at? Let me know in the comment section. As you probably know by now, I'm at Murray's here in Clarendon. What I didn't know though is that you can get Devon ice cream here. So you know me, I have to try it, right? To let you know how it is. It's just as good as the real deal. Just as good, trust me. Anyway guys, I'm moving over into Manchester, so I'm gonna stop it here. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, comment, share. Thank you.